This is where the king of the jungle, the fastest and the biggest animals lived. Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent after Asia. Africa's population is the youngest among all the continents. It is the least wealthy inhabited continent per capita and second least wealthy by total wealth, ahead of Oceania. Scholars have attributed this to different factors including geography, climate, corruption, colonialism, the Cold War, and neocolonialism. Africa has a large quantity of natural resources including diamonds, gold, salt, iron, petroleum, natural gas, and tropical fruit. Africa, particularly Eastern Africa, is widely accepted to be the place of origin of humans and the hominidae clade, also known as the Great Apes. Homo sapiens are believed to have originated in Africa. Africa culture is incredibly diverse, encompassing numerous ethnicities and regions, each with unique languages, traditions, beliefs, and artistic expressions, including oral and written storytelling, social practices, and expressive forms like art and music. And this is Africa.
History of astronomy. Ancient Egyptians built a structure aligned with stars, and the Dogon people knew about the Pleiades. The Nabta Playa stone circle is very old, and the Giza pyramid are aligned with compass point. The Helwan Observatory was the first to view Halley comets closely. Today, Africa has advanced astronomical facilities like Sol Meerkat and is developing ABN, but it faces challenges such as lack of funding, misconception, limited equipment access, and few astronomy teachers. However, there are efforts to promote astronomy, like EARN, with more astronomers and its unique location. Africa will play an important part in future astronomical discoveries. There's no one African calendar. Different regions and cultures in Africa have diverse ways of keeping time. In cities, the Gregorian calendar is used for business and official things. In rural areas, traditional calendars are based on natural cycle in like the moon, agriculture, market days, or are Islamic. Ancient calendar studied by scholars are used much now. Daily time was often told by the sun position.
Technology in Africa, a growing landscape. Internet connectivity and infrastructure. The expansion of undersea cables like Seacom has boosted internet connectivity across the continent. This has enabled greater access to information, education, and online opportunities. However, challenges remain in terms of affordability and reliable access to remote areas. Health tech and mobile health. Mobile health initiatives are leveraging technology to improve healthcare access and delivery, especially in rural areas. GSMA mHealth platforms provided patients with basic health information and connect them with healthcare providers. Innovation Hub starts. Africa is witnessing a surge in innovation hubs and startups. These spaces foster entrepreneurship and technological development.
South African food includes maize or corn, bobotie or a meat pie, and braai, a barbecue. Other aspects of African culture: art, oral literature, rituals, including initiation rites and rainmaking, spiritual beliefs, including the spirits of the air, earth, and rivers.
Africa has some mysteries, and even a wise man cannot understand them, but a wise man respects them.